Hello, guys. This is TA from a noob with Papa and Bambino. So, we're gonna do a little recap from yesterday. So, yesterday we talked about how we had a couple of scenarios for BTC. We was hoping for BTC to either make a higher high or a lower low, right? We did say that it was perfect if BTC hopped off the 0.618, and that's exactly what it did. It didn't break down below it, so we spent going sideways for a little bit before taking off today at 11. One of the main reasons why I find that we pumped was because the S&P 500 is actually up today, and it was reaching all-time highs once again. If you see, we're on a straight uptrend with the S&P 500. But something really interesting that happened is that the DXY actually broke out of a resistance, right? I have set these ABC structures forming to see if we had a different type of ABC formation. And yes, I'm trading on ABC formations because it's the recent new thing I've learned. I first learned Fibonacci retracements, and then I learned uh, trend lines, and now I'm with different patterns. So slowly but surely, I'm learning. So in the DXY, we did basically almost the same thing. We bounced right off the 0.618, which is a key level from the Fibonacci retracement, and we're going up. This seems like could be a good pumping setup, unless it actually starts dumping, obviously. But I'm glad I was able to either see this beforehand for BTC. We did break the micro downtrend above basically 42,000. This is a micro downtrend coming down almost all the way from the top, right? And this is super bullish, guys. Super bullish, right? The only way right now, if if you stop, is if they just obviously they dump it. I'm hoping that we break this next downtrend, or I don't know what you would call this, but like I ran it from all the way back here for some reason, and it's like right there, and it's kind of odd how it's like right there. So I don't know, it might be something, but let's see if we break this trend upwards, then maybe we look a lot more bullish. But remember, guys, this is TA from a noob, right? I only have about started. I bought XRP back in November, I'd say. My personal portfolio, I have XRP, EOS, Dash, Telcoin, and Matic. I did fuck up my XRP bag though. I'm not gonna lie. I started leverage trading XRP and I've lost a lot of it. So that's why I'm starting from basically almost not almost scratch, but starting low again. So if you were to realize last night, right, I only had basically 125 XRP, right? I was able to get into a trade today in the morning around down here, like not literally down here, but like around 73 cents because I was not gonna I waited, right? Main thing is patience, right? So I was waiting for a lower breakdown, right? So look, almost to the T, my B leg, and now we're looking for C leg. That's hoping we go up to 77 cents, right? 79 cents, 78 cents. I'm pretty happy with the position I have in. If I can hold this position till we break 77.63 is gonna be amazing, right? For me, right? We broke this micro downtrend, and we're looking really really bullish, guys. Right now, what we could, well, if Bitcoin dumps, right? If Bitcoin starts dumping right now, if we take all this stuff off and we look at Bitcoin again, right? Where we're at, we do the same thing we did yesterday. We do a Fibonacci retracement. BTC, well, what I heard was when we're in an uptrend market, most of the time we bounce off the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement or the point 0.5, right? When we're in a bullish uptrend, right? When we're in a bear market or downtrend in market, we'll usually bounce out below the zero or below the 0.236. As of right now, if we would go with the Fibonacci retracements from this higher high to this low, we're still a little bit far to go. We could still drop down to 41,000, right? Or even 40,000. So it's kind of difficult for right now for me to say because I'm a noob and I really can't really tell too much like the tops or the bottoms. But if I would use the regular ABC formation, right? So it'd be A, B, I guess C. The only problem that I see myself having when doing an ABC formation is how far does a C leg have to go? Exactly, right? If A leg is this big, B leg is this small, C leg has to be the biggest one, and it's not smaller than this one. So I feel like we have a lot of room to go, but we're oversold on the hourly. We're almost oversold on the 4 hours. We're getting up there in the 12 hours, and on the daily, we're pretty up there. The 1 minute, we're only like the ones that were down, we're pretty low underneath the 70 range. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't have a prediction for tonight. I'm just hoping I can hold my longs for however the freak long I can hold them. I'm hoping BTC does not drop below this high. If BTC drops below this high right here, then I'm probably gonna close my longs, right? Why would I do that? Because it's typical ABC formation, right? A, B, C. So if we're there, if we're here, right? A, C. Look, bounce right off of it. C. If if Bitcoin would decide to just out of nowhere just dump from right here, boom, then we would start this thing right here, and we would be looking for a lower. We would be looking for a lower high. If it drops below this, we would look for a lower high and to validate this ABC formation. We also have to fall. You also have to fall below this high. If we fall below this high, I would start shorting Bitcoin, XRP, and everything else, because that would be a confirmation of a downtrend. Like if we go way below this, and most of the time, shorters will start shorting after they confirm that we're underneath that high. So we would create. It was a higher high right here. Then we got a lower high, and now we got a higher high. And on the RSI, we have higher highs, higher highs. We got a higher high and a lower high. So if you go to Google and we look for, if we go to the RSI divergence sheet, right? We're having bearish divergence on BTC right now, right? We got higher highs, one high, this one's another high, or I guess you would say equal highs, right? On the hourly, we almost got equal highs. I would say a higher highs, and then we have a lower high. We go to to this. We have almost a V top. Yeah, we have almost have this one, right? The V top. Price makes higher highs. Indicator makes lower highs. Higher highs, lower highs. So we have a bearish divergence in play right now, I think. I'm not 100% sure though. Let's look at my trades, right? So yes, right now I'm up 135%. If this was a 10K long that I had set prior beforehand, I'd be up probably triple that. I'm ho so I'm hoping we go to $1, which is a long run. But that'll be it, guys.